So dear students, in this video we will discuss about how we can find length or breadth of a rectangle when area or perimeter is given. So we know that formula of area of rectangle, that is equal to length multiply breadth. So area is equal to length multiply breadth, and if we want to find the length, in some question area and breadth is given and the question is find the length, then we will use the formula, that is area over breadth. And if we are going to find breadth, then we use the formula area over length. Area is equal to length multiply breadth. So when we find the area is equal to length multiply breadth, and when we find length, then we divide this area by this breadth. So area upon breadth. And if we are going to find breadth, then that is area divided by length. So in some question the perimeter of a square is given. So we know that perimeter of a square, we know the formula, that is 4 multiply side. And in some question perimeter is given and question is find the side. So how we find the side? So to find the side of a square, we use the formula, that is perimeter over 4. Perimeter over 4. So now in this video we will use these formula to solve the question. So let us solve some question related to these formulas. So we have a question. The area of a plastic sheet is 300 square centimeter and its length is 30 centimeter. What is the breadth of the sheet? So area and length is given and we are going to find the breadth. So first of all we will write what is given in the question, that is area is equal to 300 square centimeter and length is given, that is 30 centimeters. So now we are going to find the breadth. So when area and length is given, so we will use the formula here, that is area upon length. So area is equal to 300 square centimeter and length is 30. So we will divide 300 with 30, so we will get 10. So breadth is equal to 10 centimeter. So in this way we use this formula to find breadth. So in this question we have divide area with the length. So when we divide area with length, so we get the breadth. So next question. So in this question the area of a football ground is 2900 square meter. If its breadth is given, that is 29 meter, then find the length. So again area and breadth is given and we are going to find the length. So how we will solve this question? So let us see. So area is equal to, that is 2900 square meter and breadth is 29 meter. So we are going to find length. So to find the length we will use the formula, that is area upon breadth. So by putting the values of area and breadth, we can solve this, that is 2900 divided by 29. So 29 1 29 and remaining 20. So answer is 100 meter. So length 100 meter and breadth 29 meter. We can also cross check whether question is right or wrong. So area is equal to length multiplied breadth. So 100 multiplied 29. So we can get answer 2900 square meter. So next. So in this question, the perimeter of a square lawn is 72 meter. Find the length of the side of a square lawn. So in this question, perimeter of a square is given and we are going to find the side of a square. So we know that formula of perimeter of a square, that is so perimeter is here, that is 72 meter. So we are going to find the side. So to find the side we use the formula, that is perimeter over 4, because perimeter is equal to 4 multiplied side. So if we are going to find side, then that is perimeter over 4. So perimeter here is 72 upon 4. So when we divide 72 by 4, so we get 18